All right, welcome back. That's right, we're outside. We're in the great outdoors. We're in the over here, Camp Run Amok, and it's my backyard. Anyway, we're going to be outside. We're going to start cooking outside, and the first thing we're going to do, well, because May is, or Memorial Day weekend is kind of the official, unofficial beginning of the camping season, we're going to go ahead and make some dinner. All right, so we're going to boil some water first. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is, like I said, we're going to boil some water. My dog's out here. He's happy about that, but no, we're not going to feed him water. What we are going to do is we're going to cook up this Mountain House camping food. It's dehydrated food. We're doing the chili mac with beef, spicy sauce with macaroni, beef, and beans. Just add water, ready in 10 minutes, no extra cleanup, 13 grams of protein. Again, these are Mountain House adventure meals. Now you can find these at Cabela's, Bass Pro Shop, Walmart, and of course you can find them online, whatever works for you. So again, no preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, 2 servings, and the carrying weight is 3.8 ounces, just right now without the water. Alright, so our directions are real easy. We open the package at the tear notch. It's just right here, tiny little tear notch. And we remove and discard the oxygen absorber. It's not a flavor packet. It's that oxygen absorber. It's what keeps it fresh on the inside. All right, then we're going to carefully add 1.5 cups of water, boiling water. So we're going to get this started here. We got a little stove down here. Let me get this out of the way. There it is. And we've got one of these little jet things, little burners, and again the propane right there. And it's on my rocket stove. You'll see the rocket stove in a separate episode. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll get this started here. Yeah, you can see it here. Let's take a look. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's on. And there we go. We're going to start boiling the water. All right, that's going to take a little bit of time. So what have we got? Oh, let's go back to our... So we're going to be boiling the water, and we're going to add that 1.5 cups of water. So I got just a little over 1.5 cups of water in here. This is the Stanley camper. It's got the 2 cups. It's really cool. And so again, it's got these little notches. I don't think, you should be able to see them right here on this backside. There they are. They're at the different water levels. So 12 ounces is a cup and a half. All right, because 8 ounces is a cup. 16 is a pint. That's important. That's important stuff. All right, let's continue. All right, then we're going to stir carefully and close zipper. So it's got that little zip tie thing, the little zipper thing. Get that. Let me open this up just a little bit. Got to play with it because again, there's a light breeze, so it's blowing this way and it's pushing the heat down that way. But again, it's so close. Yeah, I can feel the heat about a foot away, and I can feel the heat when the wind blows. All right, what else are we going to do? So we're going to wait 5 minutes and stir again, and then we're going to let it stand for another additional 4 minutes, stir, and enjoy right out of the pouch. Well, we're going to do that. All right, so let's go ahead and pause this, or stop here. So there it is. There's the handle. I forgot to pick this up at the beginning. This little silicone cap puller. Yeah, you can hear it starting to boil. So before we go any further, definitely want to take a moment. Again, thanking everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. Hey, let me know if you've made any other of these Mountain House or any other kind of camping food, and what's your favorite? What's your favorite? There's like ice cream too, but we'll figure that one out later. So for now, this is what we're doing, chili mac. And so before this really gets going here, again, thank you for liking, watching, subscribing. Don't forget you can do that here. First timers, again, stop by, check out all the other episodes. They're great. I know, I made them. Anyway, again, and veterans over here again, as always, there we go. Don't worry, the cup's still there, or the little Stanley thing is still there. Again, don't forget, make the call. Don't hesitate to make the call. The Veterans Crisis Line, 988, dial, and then when the automated attendant, press the number 1. You can always chat online, go to the veterancrisisline.net website, and Go ahead and chat with them there, or you can text. 838-255. 838-255. Go ahead and text. Let them know. Just again, you've got questions or you're uncertain about something. Hey, that's what they're there for. So make the call. Don't hesitate. Don't delay. Make the call. Alrighty, there we go. We're now seeing some steam. Now I do believe. Yep, and I can feel it. I can feel the rumbling here on things. So I better turn this off before it boils over. Alright, let's go ahead and make this all happen. Alright, there it is. Alright, let's go ahead and tear it up. Where's our notch? Down here. Right. And yeah, I had a feeling. So be careful. Don't let it go further than the zip tie there, or the, what's that called? The zip lock. There. Yeah, there it is. Alright, we got that torn off. Alright. And we can do a little bit here. I'm gonna tear in the upward motion. There we go. Alrighty, so again, 1.5 cup of water. Oh, forgot that. There it is. There's that flavor packet, everybody. There's that flavor packet. Don't eat it. Alright, this is what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, it does look like dehydrated macaroni and macaroni mess or chili. Alright, so here we go. So what's the first thing it says? Well, we're going to add the boiling water. Don't worry, I'll turn it back on again just to get the temperature up. Stir carefully and close the zipper. Then we're going to wait 5 minutes, and then we're going to stir again, wait 4 minutes, and then we're going to chow down. We're going to devour. The boiling has resumed. That was quick, told you. There's our spoon. Got to be careful now. This is boiling water, 212 degrees. So move some stuff out of the way. That way we don't spill or burn or anything. A terrible way to end a great Sunday afternoon. Let's take our lid off. There it is. Just put it off to the side. Out of the way. And here we go with the 1.5 cup of water. There it is, all poured in. This over here. There it is. Oh, it smells great already. Let's give it a little stir. Oh my. All right, be careful. The side of the plastic pouches are going to be a little hot. It was 212 degrees. Let's zipper it up. Now be careful when you open it again, because again it's zip locked, and it's going to expand from the heat. You got all that steam. Careful when you open it, because the steam, it's going to be the first thing that comes out. Then you're going to smell it, but then you're going to burn yourself. So be careful when you open it. All right, 5 minutes. Let's put 5 minutes on the clock, and we'll see you in just a bit. All right, here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. There we go. Oh, that looks really tasty. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there we go. That looks good, but hey, it's only the 5 minute mark. We got to stir it one more time. This is very hot. This is very hot. The packaging is hot. It's hot on the inside. So we're going to wait the other 4 minutes, and we'll come back in just a bit. Alrighty, we're done. Got a branch hitting the microphone. Alright, so if that's what you heard, that's what you hear, that's what's going on. It's a branch was hitting the microphone. We got a tree right over here. Alrighty, so 4 minutes is up. Let's go ahead and open up our pouch. Oh yeah, got even gravier, or more, it got thicker. Alright, it says we can eat this right out of the pouch, so let's go ahead and give it that tasty taste. Again, this is that Mountain House Adventure Meals Chili Mac with beef and beans. A little stir. There it is. That's very good. Again, you're out there camping. It's very good. It's light. Meat. It did reconstitute. Noodles, good. They're done. The meat, I mean, you've got some bite. You got to bite into it, obviously. The beans, and of course your spices. Now, about the spices, so it's enough to call it chili mac. The issue here is because it's mass produced, they have to get it at a certain level. So if you like me, you like it with like a lot of Tabasco sauce. That's what I did in the military. You know, you eating that chili mac, boom, just hit it up with some Tabasco sauce, whatever spices. Slap Yo Mama, some Slap Yo Mama would be good in here as well. So again, whatever's to your liking. But there it is. It's very tasty, very delicious. It's delicious. It's edible. It's not your grandfather's camping food. There we go. No, but then again, they took cans. Great grandfather. Okay. Either way, whatever. Hey, listen. This is again, This Vet Cooks, and we're outside for the first time this summer, and this is the Adventure Time. Again, they're not sponsoring this, but if they want to, I will listen. Chili mac with beef and beans. There's beans in here. So again, listen. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Guerra, and This Vet Cooks.